Yo, this is Steve Marley and you're watching Lime and Chune. Scene, keep it locked.
Lime and Chune, Lime and Chune. When the rollers call up, I'll be standing tall up. So fight, pull up. Right away. Are you ready? 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 Yeah. When the road is called up, Queen Ifrica standing tall up to face the darkest time beyond the sunset. We'll be taking care of all the children there. If it's required, today I'm on the front line. You can hold the line all day. All your face to know. What's the rules remain the same? All the stories been told. All over and the children are safe. A lioness is on the run, yeah. When you are willing to serve, we are put to observe to see if you can walk the walk you talk. Let me give you my word. My voice must be heard. Bravery is a peace. I'm a heart if we just calm down on it. I am ready to know. What's the rules remain the same? And the story's been told. All my and then you can tell it about. I like the answers on the price, yes. Don't you ever but glory and we fight. Don't try to make it up alright. Yeah, my love, I just always a fight. But if no one can do it, my smile get right. When they can't come back till late in the Ubers with a bunch of the nicest lovers. Even though we still but don't have while. What look me will we is I'm humble like a child. Can't help me good night and feeling. Just if I treat me with it more sweet talk when you know me now. Don't make us wrong. Everything you're right. But if you got anything like me, I'm going to be it. Praying away, we don't stop, man, it's in the days. I swear to never let me bring the change in 60 days. Without the one another, make everyone amazed. The children believe in that everything is safe. We only go through our veins, so come tell me sorry, stop, alright. Now we're not going to now we're just tour me, I hear some can't go Europe a tour because I'm homophobic. Because me dare to tell a little girl who will speak for the little girls in Jamaica who are raped by women who go around and pick them up and bring them into sophisticated places and have sex with them against their will and want them to turn around and be the face of the agenda. Is that fair? Is it fair to culture me to be like you and then tell me I shouldn't be myself? If you people don't stand up with we, you know, that is how them win, you know. So if you don't know, so this thing need to balance, and when we say keep it to yourself, we mean that. If I have to keep it to myself, then you have to keep it to yourself. They got to make it better. Let me tell you, stand up to God. I want to know. Alright then. Got to make it better. Children are our future. Got to make it better. You feel like body going a boom boom, and then magic. Wow! So we make answer. I don't like the way you want to feel my return. No, this one is HOLD. Yes, promise in mind now. One wall is weird. I'd like to tell a story about what one wall can do. One wall can do. One wall. Listen. The one I've been feeding on my title. Now all of the nickel up at night go. Kings the whole me no down they go. The whole man not in a suitcase. I can't prepare ever leave the place. Bouncing over you. Bouncing over baby, look in you. The whole man not in a suitcase. I can't prepare ever leave the place. I love the whole when we under the trees. Squeeze him up just before him leave. Na 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 na. Like IG, him and you call a rock. Cheer him in a corner, yeah. So tell them, yeah, I want to hold you, man. I want to hold you, man. I want to hold you, man. One hold you, man. I want to hold you, man. One hold you, man. I want to hold you, man. Hold your man tight when you link up. Lock down your eye, make it quick up. Hard up in the wall like it in something. Now pull it up.
Every second they bless it, they love for it. And they love the beauty of your start going. Cause I can see your mind, and I know why your words. The voice is so divine, your something so diverse. Your body more in line, and they can roll in all your words. Your description so divine, cause I get so divine.
So pretty, I just think I'm up down, but it's always up. More than enough violence, I don't believe the two of them. True virtue, one day, more than nothing but trust. It's not there, no words. Action speaks louder than words, that's it, I'm guessing. Give it up for in the roots of war. And when I come on stage, I don't just come to come sing for forward and big up. They either know me long time and know say, I do this from somewhere deep inside of my soul. So artists like myself in the space, all we're asking for, sir, thank you very much for feeling me. Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. I know that this year is going to be big changes in Jamaica. That is why the rush is on. I'm just asking, please, let it benefit the mass in the true sense. So listen to this while I say it, okay? I don't be this, I don't be this, I don't be this. My God. No one. I don't be this, I don't be this, I don't be this.
Sing Queen!
Folks smile for me, Jamaica. Not even God, me not do it for. Remember we just escape Maria and Irma, and all we do is increase murder. Right now it's show up on the radar. Like say Jamaicans are pagan, but they can't bet you anyway. In the world we are the nicest human. So big up to the trench down the road. That's why all I will feel you. Just need to increase more upon that. We know it when I sweet you. Mr. Prime Minister, Jamaica's fewest leader. The people them send me to you, sir. Them have a gully for your jumping. Right now somebody need to save on you. I know IMF and them not trust China. Plus the other one them before did a save we for long, but we not really sure from what, so we have all one. And a we this, and a we this, and a we this.
Lime and Jew,